Calling all 7th grade Brambleton Bears, calling all 7th grade Brambleton Bears, Miss Dunn, the 6th grade counselor here to inform you and help you learn how to read your schedules. Bum, bum, bum. No worries, guys. I'm going to take you step by step on how to properly read your schedule so you can make it to class on time. So, let's begin. First block, A day, is English 7A. Do you know how I knew that? I knew that because I looked and I saw the meet days and I saw A, and then I looked at the period column which says 1, 2. So periods 1, 2 equals first block. Okay, so this Brambleton Bear in their first block on A days is going to go to English 7. All right, moving on to second block. This is what second block looks like. If you see numbers 3, 4 in the period column, that means it's second block. So on A days, second block, this Brambleton Bear is going to be in U.S. history. All right. Are you catching on, guys? Let's move on to third block. Okay, so third block, A days. This Brambleton Bear is going to be going to Math 7. So whenever you see the numbers 5, 6 in the period column, that means third block. So third block, A day, Math 7. All right, guys. Wait a second. I see a difference here. How come there's only one number in the period column? When you only see one number in your period column, that means that you're going to go to this class for 45 minutes. And then halfway through the block, you're going to switch to another class. So in this scenario, this Brambleton Bear, last block, fourth block of the day, for the first half of the block, they're going to resource. The first part of fourth block is always number 7. So for the second block, or the second part of their block, it will read, for fourth block, it will read the number 8. They are going to go to guitar for 45 minutes. Okay, so last block, A day, is resource and guitar. All right, you see this cool class here called advisory? Well, guess what? Everyone in the building is going to be in an advisory class. Advisory class meets once a week, and this is an opportunity for students to gather in a small group with an adult, any adult in the building. They'll be designated a cool adult in the building to meet and talk about PBIS, any issues that they may have in the school, connect with other students, and of course, brag about all the amazing things that are happening to them. All right, let's move on to B days. So how did I know this was a B day? I looked at the meeting days and I saw the letter B. So first block on B days, this Brambleton Bear is going to be going to Health and PE 7. So, like I said earlier on the A days, 1, 2 in the period column means first block, right? Are you following me here, guys? Okay, so the highlighted class now is second block B days. Remember, 3, 4 means second block, and then you look for the A or the B days. In this instance, this is second block B day, Tech Ed. Wait a second, I see something different here. Do you see the S1 under the term? That means that this is only a semester level class. So for the first half of the school year, this Brambleton Bear will be in Tech Ed. For the second half of the year, as highlighted below, they will be in Family and Consumer Science. So semester 2 begins after our winter break. So after winter break, instead of reporting to Tech Ed, second block on B days, this Brambleton Bear is going to report to Family and Consumer Science, second block on a B day. All right, moving on to third block. So 5, 6 means third block. So third block on a B day, this Brambleton Bear is going to their science class. And last but not least, fourth block on a B day, this Brambleton Bear is going to coding. So again, 7, 8 period 7, 8 means fourth block. All right, 7th grade, I hope you have a great year, and please please let your counselors know if you ever have any other problems reading your schedule.